In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create custom images with Canva's AI image generator. We'll start by opening Canva, a wonderful platform that offers a multitude of tools for designing anything from social media posts to presentations. Once you've logged into your Canva account, you'll want to select the type of design that suits your needs. Whether it's an Instagram post, a flyer, or a business card, the choice is yours, and Canva has all the templates you need. Take your time to browse through them and pick the one that aligns best with your vision. Once you have your design canvas open, GA open and ready, it's time to tap into Canva's expansive Apps section. Simply navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Apps. This is where the magic happens. It's a treasure trove of additional features that can enhance your creative journey. In the search bar, type in AI Image Generator. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to add unique, customized images to their designs. After selecting the AI image generator, you'll notice an option for setting the aspect ratio. This is crucial because it allows you to determine the size and shape of your image. Depending on your project, you might need a square for social media or a wider rectangle for a presentation. Choose the aspect ratio that best suits your design needs. It's always a good idea to visualize where this image will fit within your overall design so that you can select the most suitable size. Now comes the fun part, inputting your prompt. Think about what kind of image you want to create. It could be something abstract, a specific scene, or even an image that reflects a certain mood. Be clear and descriptive with your prompt to give the AI the best chance at generating something that meets your expectations. Once you've typed your prompt, double-check everything to make sure it's just the way you want it. Now, click the Generate button. Creating your customized image may take a bit of time, so be patient. The system is processing your request and working its magic to render an image that aligns with your vision. Feel free to use this time to continue brainstorming other elements of your design or take a short creative break. Once the image is ready, you'll see the option to Add to Design. Simply click on this, and voila! Your newly generated image will seamlessly integrate into your project. From there, you can move, resize, or edit it just like any other element in Canva. Adjust it as necessary to fit perfectly within your design. And there you have it, a stunning, tailor-made image crafted effortlessly with Canva's AI image generator. Take a moment to admire your work and make any final tweaks to ensure it's exactly how you envisioned. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that you've harnessed the power of AI to elevate your design. Happy creating!